So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to be talking about why for options traders, this one thing is the gift that keeps on giving. And so again, welcome back and happy holidays for those of you guys who are celebrating the holidays during this time. And so I want to talk about gifts because it's around that kind of Christmassy season. And so for options traders, I was wondering, what is the gift that options trading gives us? And I think the gift that options trading gives us that nobody can ever take away from us is the future. And what I mean by that is not some mushy stuff about, oh, the future is bright, the future is this, right? I'm talking about the expectation of the future and the fact that the future is unknowable. And so for options traders, and particularly option sellers, the fact that the future is unknowable is truly the best gift for an options trading system, especially an options selling system, because we know and we can prove that implied volatility, or the expectation of future movement, is always overstated compared to the actual movement or historical movement of an underlying over time. This future edge in this idea that we are really bad at predicting the future gives us a huge opportunity to consistently maintain an edge trading in every market environment long term. Now, this obviously means that some market environments, we're not going to have that edge, or that edge won't be as prevalent. So sometimes the markets behave more irrationally than we thought. Maybe the markets move down faster than we thought, or the markets move up faster than we thought. But long term, the implied volatility edge is proven not only by us, but also by many other places, many other research sites, CBOE, ICC, all of these other places as well. And this is the gift that keeps on giving, because the thing that everyone always says about options trading, and particularly option selling, is that at some point there's going to be an edge that's going to disappear. But the problem with that is that when you have a future that is unknown or unknowable, then it's very hard to predict that future. And so long as the future is unknown or unknowable, it's going to be insanely hard to predict the future. And so until the point at which the future is perfectly predictable, then the options trading edge for selling premium is going to be in place. And this is the gift that keeps on giving, because guess what? The future is always unknowable, and we will always have black swan events. Black swan events keep people on their toes. They keep people guessing as to what might happen. And that extra little premium that's built in, that extra little insurance that's priced into option contracts because of some unknowable event in the future, allows option sellers to consistently make money long term. So hopefully this helps out. Again, this is just my kind of take and spin on gifts, but I think if you really listen to this podcast, you'll understand why the edge in options trading will always be here for a long time, until the point at which we can predict the future. At that point, then we don't even need to worry about options trading. We can just predict where things are going to go, right? So it'd be much easier anyway. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.